This video is part of a series about getting started with common Smart Remote Management tasks. In this video, we'll learn how to use Smart Remote Management to lock the Settings app on SmartBoard interactive displays with iCUE. Locking the Settings app prevents others from changing a display's settings. We'll start by creating a lockdown certificate on a SmartBoard and saving it to a USB drive. We'll use that certificate to create a policy in Smart Remote Management. Connect a USB drive to the display. In the display's home screen, tap the Settings icon. Tap Security, and then Lockdown Settings. Use the on-screen keyboard to give the lockdown certificate a name. Then tap Done. Tap Create, and the certificate is saved to the USB drive. When you create the lockdown certificate, the display's Settings app is also locked. Tap Got It to close the window, then remove the USB drive. If this display isn't one of the ones you want to lock down, tap Unlock Settings and reconnect the USB drive. The display reads the certificate you just created and unlocks the settings. Next, we'll create a policy in Smart Remote Management that uses the lockdown certificate we just made to lock the Settings app on other displays. A Smart Remote Management policy consists of device settings that users can't change. At your computer, connect the USB drive and sign in to Smart Remote Management. Click Repositories, then Policies. In the Policies window, click Add New, then SmartBoard. In the Policy Name box, type a name for the policy and click Settings Lockdown. Move the Set Key slider to the right and click Add Key. In the dialog that appears, browse to and select the .key file on the USB drive, click Open, then Confirm. This adds the new policy to the list. Now that we've created a policy, we can apply it to other displays and remotely lock their Settings app. Close the Policies window, and then click Devices to see a list of connected displays. You can apply the policy to one display, to multiple displays, to all the displays that match a saved filter's criteria, or to a group. Select the display or displays to which you want to apply the policy, then click Policies. Select the Lockdown policy, and then click Apply. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit smarttech.com. Thanks for watching.